do you hold in your mind? And how many do you allow them to root unnecessarily in your subconscious mind? Why? Because whatever roots in your subconscious mind comes automatic kuwe. Uzothi no guys awuloyanga. So i-discernment ka-Andrew actually wonke lama principles siyawasebenzisa. Asama principles that are just dormant. They are there for you to call upon. Hey, makumnandi uyazubiza. Makuliwa uyazubiza. Makulenjani uyazukuthi ubiza ba. But you start with yourself. Yingakho okhokho bathi know thyself.
Yes, know thyself.
For me to be able to understand the universe, I need to understand myself. Because the universe is within me. So okhokho were clear there. Before uhambe uyofunda ezinye izinto, know yourself. Give yourself the foundation, just like Upta. When Upta emerges from the waters of noon, who create a mound, right? Then Atum emerges and sit on top. Atum doesn't emerge and go and stand on their own. They sit on top of. Why? Because Upta is the source. For everything that Atum needs is from here. Meaning Upta no noon. The carbon soup. The noon, the carbon soup. Right? From the carbon soup, the production of hydrogen. Before any other creation, meaning Atum was wise enough. When I emerge as well as a Ptah, I mustn't sit alone. I need to be grounded. I need to be firm on the ground, which is why Upta then created the mound. Indaba yokuqala, before any ndaba, yileyo athi umahlala phezu kwayo. So now we've got to do the same thing. Kumele uzithole ndlovu. It doesn't matter ukuthi so imnyaka senga. It means fuck off. Enye into ndlovu. La eGK sekulula because umuntu simbona ngezelo. Singena usethi la. Athi nje kancane. Sokwazi. We will know what you said, Lord. You understand? Hey, sometimes your friends better know you than you know yourself. Because when they describe you, they are not describing the physical body, but they are describing the character that you inherit from one of the principles. So that's the foundation of your own kingdom. And then once you have established that foundation, then whatever you want, right? Tina is unfortunate because abantu in the position like us in Japan, fully supported by their government. Hey, ngabe uyabona manje umsebenzi ngabe I should be doing on a daily basis. Uvinjiwe. Why? Because sinala abantu abangenanembeza. Even when they hear ukuthi the majority of black people are misaligned, they don't care. The more black people are ignorant, is the more they benefit. Hey, ignorance of black people makes them benefit. But siyazi ukuthi empilweni everything moves in cycles. Ayikho into engapheli. One day sizokhohlwa ukuthi sike saba kule position where we are being deprived of decolonizing our people. But our own people, however, know. Black people are doing this to us. Why? Because the majority of them, no Ramaram, is a Christian. Hey, the majority of them are Christian. And also Tolabuti, the managing structure in government is occupied by Christians. So Christians are not wanting to hear. The minute you the asa,
Satanism.
Satanic yo. And the Labandulaba are ignorant of their own science. Because these principles are science. This spirituality is science. Is founded on the basis of science. So therefore, we've been through worse situations, but we survived. Hey, as long as Nagabote is a session.
Yeah.
As long as Nagabote and the hasn't and we hasn't session among hey, I'm not the among time. Bangi Sutua. I would move a complete. But Fuza.
No.
You understand? Hey, so therefore, I'm not your age. Aspedi. All of us. But let's guide in a way. You know, sometimes we find ourselves being passionate about certain things. It's like a passion of coming here on Sunday. You understand? But sibe nalelo thando ifo khokho bethu bebemafu that's the very same thing. And the bongakho we understand if awunasabelo sokuthi understand izolokhu uthi manje lamaluminati sibiza amaluminati So what I'm trying to say, Makashabuti, as much as the world is in chaos, as much as we are in the midst of poverty and squalor, ithemba litheni lisekutheni ukuthi kumele uyazi mawuphila ngaphakathi mawumuntu uyaphila ngoba umoya wakho ukhululekile. Ngathi mina we need to make an effort. Kuphela inyanga ungaxabananga namuntu. Just that effort. Inyanga iphele ungananqa uzobona la ngaphakathi. That's when you become rich. Why? Because you are no longer entertaining low vibrations. You are forever vibrating high. Why? Because our distractions will always be there. Acknowledge them, ignore it. Acknowledge. This one. Inapho kuthiwa Conscious people babonakala ngama-choices abo. Conscious people babonakala ngamako. Ungazi wonke umuntu la ngaphandle athi woke. But the decision you are making, hey, nama decision esiwenza. Do you understand? So meaning ukuthi izenzo zethu akube yizo ezikhombisa indlela. Izenzo zami akube umhlahlandlela. Ngingakhulumi lokho kanti ngihamba right. Into ephazisa abantu abaningi. Iqiniso lisekho. Abantu are prepared to die ngeqiniso. Lento yeqiniso isemqoka kakhulu because it has messed up ubukhosi bethu.
Yeah.
African royalty is a mess. Ilamang. And remember, Buti, when you dislodge ubukhosi, you've killed the nation. Uthathe umuntu wakho nehandlu uzomfaka la. Angeke kuze kulunge ngoba namadlozi azomala. Remember ukuthi idlozi mele ngafuni sibona ngezenzo. From nowhere wena. Wenza lezinto ozenza. Umedia hayibo. No. Idlozi. It means ukuthi idlozi alivumelani nawe. And the level of course into ebucayi kabi. It's something which is very dangerous. Mawungahlani uyafa. Zimbili izinto ezibhekene nalabantu who are busy fiddling ngento yomoya. Ubukhosi into yomoya. Nobody should fiddle there, with that. So therefore, yingakho kuthiwa uma athi mele simvuselele so that we are able to re-establish all of our structures. I think structure is not right. All of them. All of them. Asikho structure engathi singahamba ngaso into the future currently. Labantu who are experiencing government, can you trust them into the future?
Never.
You can't trust them. Minunguti. Makumele siqale phansi. Mele siqale phansi ngempela.
Yes. Yeah.
And futhi singanqangani. Yazi mawuzalelwe imposition. You will never fail. You will never fail. Ngoba yinto yakho le. Hey, minunguti, we need to start. Hey, ndofikazi tu. Izingane siyozenza. Mina ngikhalela ingane.
Njalo mkhulu.
Thina sesibadala siyethuleni. Kepha le ngane sishiyela. Sishiyela ukuthi zifunda manga. Hayi ugogo ngishasha. Qala la.
Yeah.
Shasha ugogo. Qala la. Then kuba injwayelo. Ingane igcina ijwayela manga. And it's very difficult to keep ingane emangeni.
Njalo mkhulu.
Ngoba seyiqamba manga noma kungekho necessary.
Hey mkhulu.
So it means ukuthi angazi ukuthi le ingane ezincane singayozivalela kuwo.
Yeah.
Yazi babe in a community vele. Bonke abantu balapho babanje oma-art. Ngiyengifise nje mina ukuthi makulunga kumele siyocela indawo lekhaya eBergville. Sakhe indawo yethu. La kuzoba khona thina sodwa. So that we are able to then guide lemfundiso. Lemfundiso, we are forever competing in the television. television is messing us up.
Yeah.
Thina sikhulisa ingane ifike TV ibona something ethize.
Different.
What happens to that leyo mfundisi? Meaning ukuthi umzali akasenamandla because uhulumeni controls the airwaves and uhulumeni decides what is shown on TV. Kunama stories ethu which are supposed to give black people pride. I myself can never have a show SABC because my content is wrong.
Wrong. Yeah, mkhulu. Bakuthatha kanjalo.
Basho njalo. Bathi wena
Yeah.
uhlukumeza belungu wena. This is what happened to myself no Paul Muniz. Power FM. Ama ratings are phezulu. Ngisho yethu. They can.
What do they can?
What complain one or two white people. And we are just teaching African philosophy. Abelungu got affected. Meaning what umnyama ingane ngane is not supposed to have access to knowledge yakhe. I say anybody this knowledge.
Ilento bangayifuni mkhulu ukuthi
It's
abantwana
over 20 years Ndlovukazi. Over 20 years sizama ukufaka ama-proposal e-SABC.
Mkhulu.
Always there's an excuse.
Hey.
And nakhona I won't blame them. Because if you depend on advertisers, your content is controlled. If you depend on advertisers, your content is controlled. The government is not supposed, the ESCOM, the SABC, those are some of the institutional governments. Kumele kube free. The ESCOM is not supposed to make money out of AMA services. The SABC is not supposed to depend on these white corporates because they shape the content. Ubona mama omdala lapha chikizwa.
Hey bana.
I become so embarrassed sometimes. It's but wena tati. Uhambe wayofunda i-advertising. Right? Then you come up with a plan to your white people. No, let us feature your mama.
Hey man, Mama Gabani. Mama Gabani.
Apart umshanyela look.
Mama Gabani.
So those are things. Those are things to first.
Yeah.
As a black person, yikho ufuna inambeza nalapha. Am I going to hire umama ukuthi abe inhlekisa iTV?
Hey bani.
Ngijabula ngoba ngiholile. Ngithole idea enhle. That humiliates my mother. Ukunembeza lapha. Awukunembeza lapha. These are things okumele thina singabantu abamnyama sizazi. Because if we are not guided by those core principles there too. Mr. Kuluma about the purest form of Ubuntu, Ma'at. There's no other moral code in the world. Ma'at. It's the only moral code okumele sigayidwe yiyo. Meaning ukuthi material things, material gain, imali is making me lose ubuntu bami. And those are things okungamelanga sizivumele. Well, today, some of them said to me, uzodla your principles. That's what they said to me. But no, ukutshela 94 ama-opportunities. But some of the opportunity, uyezwa ukuthi abelungu bakuchanela ukuthi uzoba inhlele bani yabo. You must come and serve them.
Wow.
So, mau resista. Wow. I can be proud of it. As much as I was in the corporate world, akho mulungu ongidelela.
Yeah, man.
Every white person engahlangana nayo sikhuluma ngqondo straight. My better ngiphuma kuwo. Hayi ukuthi manje seke phone laba bangani babo. Mkozweni. You must send him there, must send him there. Do you understand? And enye into mina yanginceda angikaze ngasebenzela umlungu. Ever since ngazalwa angikaze ngasebenzela umlungu. So ngaseyivela from there. And then nakhona besingena kuma opportunities. Ingamla wanted to use us. Remember kokungalento yama special purpose vehicle. Sayikhumbula. Abelungu we bakhupha ubunja babo. But we have companies at the JSE. These companies where namdomnyama, you are not free to participate there. Umlungu ati, okay fine ngoba I-government futhi benza thina government manager or something. Black empowerment wena Ndlovukazi. Bese abelungu bathi ke ama opportunities are there. But these opportunities are not accessible unless you have money. But thina sizokunikeza ama shares, not of the company. We are going to form a separate company called the SPV, Special Purpose Vehicle, so that we can participate with you. Because as in Tembi, this company, we are going to mess our company. Then what happened? They issue those shares. Then something unfortunate happened. The market goes against you. You lose. And then after that, all the PE guys, all the whatever, all of them, as champions of black economic empowerment. They say the market goes against them, they lose all those shares. Meaning, Gucci, there has never been a true empowerment ever since 94.
Never.
There's never been a true empowerment because basikhohlisa njalo. Ibuyela kuphi lento? Conscience.
Yeah.
Umlungu akana conscience.
Azange be.
Umlungu akana conscience. Udaki. Uzibambile. We never did what the Mozambicans did. Ukuthi sibangene. Bokusele kangaka. Ukuthi sibangene.
1994.
The Mozambicans dealt with white people. To a point ukuthi babelekela bonke la. And yibo laba basuke eMozambique naseZimbabwe. Who are giving us problems. So therefore, into yokuthi, hey, it's amazing because I haven't even read. I don't know, Kesha ukhona wazi. What is our percentage in terms of holding the stock market? Ayikafiki naku 5%. 30 years into the liberation.
So cold.
Then again, what must we say about Abelu? And to tell you, it's even worse today. Abelungu are saying to us, these people won't touch us because they are afraid if they touch us, the market will fall. The whole economy will fall. Meaning what manje babeki ganagit. You dare touch. They are even challenging the Section 25. Hey, they are in court now currently. At the Section 25. So that it is not implementable. Nakhona makhetha, remember ukuthi yilaba holy bethu abangena conscience. If the holy bethu had conscience, ngabe sintswemu. All of us. Akekho umuntu wase South Africa ngabe uyahlupheka today. Kepha siholo abantu who don't have a conscience, who don't care what happens. Huh? Remember, Gucci, when you sabotage the economy, you are sabotaging the future. In 30 years, ngabe sibala nke. At least Masiti has 7 JSE, ngabe sina 20%. Masiti has 7. Less than 5. That's the and the Abelungu now. Ubabone la kuma social. They can't touch us. They depend on us. Nati, we are demonstrating independency. We have people who can see the vision. You can't have a nation that cannot feed itself, man. How do you have a nation that can never feed itself? The very same people who are supposed to take the funds from them. We are basaba. Trump. I don't know. But it looks so izinto thina angithi manje sesi experiences zonke lezi all the negative aspects sesi experiencing. So thina ke manje we are charting a way forward, reorganizing ourselves. For me to have the conscience, my conscience says, okay, I'm now obliged. It's not an option. I am obliged to buy from her. So are other people who are starting other initiatives. That's the only way we can save ourselves, even without even interfering. Like so, there's a lot of money. Hey. Every month the money leaves. So yes. Every month. Yini lesenza ukuthi singakhoni. But anengi blame ngoba siyakhona. Asikana pay. Imajority yethu akabakalapheki. That is why we don't see anything wrong. Ukuthi a billion or almost a billion every month leaves. Asnanda. And Nakona, I think Judah deserves my money better. Which is why we ended up selling these puzzles to these people or hiring them out. Why? Because Tina sihlulekile. Sihlulwe ukusapotana. Hey. Sihlulwe patriotism that we need as a people. Asenzi njengamaTwitter namandi. Amandi. Ambulance. Ubanikeze It is counted 10 rand, man. They don't care.
Yeah.
They will only buy from another Indian.
Yes.
Because the money circulates amongst them. So, yiko ngithi sidinga a decolonization so that we are able to heal the minds of the people. Abantu babuyise that sense of value. Again, babulale the inferiority complex. And that's what I'm saying. Utaka sana. Utela nana. Utawe ni mazoshaya. Vele mele mvuke ngawo. Mele mvuke ngawo vele incommunity.
And akukho wrong khona lapho.
Imagine again, Makesh, if we had support. We are all over the country, healing the minds of people. So that by the end of young and futhi, I don't think any into ukuthi izaze ilunge ngokwanele ngoba abanye abantu bathi ishentshela ixoshwa mos
ubeke ukufa phambili kunokuthi
yikho ngithi right into of God i-target dile ngane asisebenzeleni le ngane zethu because i-majority yabantu abadala are already messed up. Abantu base balunge kumele sifocus kule ngcozi sihambe nationally sihambe siyoyenza ama-workshop all over so that we are able to decolonize kuvuselelwe uma athi ebantwini ingane izalwa noma athi. There's no way uma athi can just vanish from nowhere.
ayikwenzakali mkhulu.
Yizo-ke izinto kumele sizenze lezo ukuthi hey man abantu bagula. No bagula kakhulu. Especially ipolitiki lemali iba moshile. Yabona imali nepolitiki ne-religion wena ndlovu. I-religion is number one.
Danunga ukuthi ugcokisa isiphambano esingaka nedaskoti emhlophe.
Ilapho ndlovukazi kunokuthi sifundise iy'ngane zethu ezina-5 i-technology. Sisinike iBhayibheli ubona ingoma lapho uZayoni waya ingane lengane yenzisa ubaba. There's nothing wrong with that. And when you compare the children big
Korea or Japan,
ingane ecrash ifunda ukwakha. Ingane ecrash ifunda ama-robotics. Thina side ngoba silindele umuntu esingazi ukuthi uzoza nini. Ume waphila in the first place now. Manje silindele. Yikho ngithi so to colonize people and take away their culture and take away their spirituality is the worst crime. Their identity of God is the worst crime emhlabeni. Umuntu owenziwe njalo bengumuntu futhi mele ibuke mele ngoba sizokhona ukuthi sicontrol. Remember ukuthi abotata were convinced to get rid of Ntavi. Why? Because the Afrikaners nabelungu were afraid ukuthi bengaba khona le they convinced the politics beza kithi bathi beza kithi with superior logic. Yiphi logic la? Ukuthi bulale lento zintambo.
Hawu nkulu. Ayikho.
Umuntu obulala umuntu ngesihluku.
Abafe ngesihluku.
Bebe siprotector bona mkhulu.
Ingalo engalweni.
Njalo mkhulu.
Mawuntshontshe.
Oh yeah.
Mawenzani? Wonke umuntu uyaqoqela. Ngisho nami bengigama. Kepha mase ngizwe ukuthi kunomthetho so.
Ngiyaqoqa.
So uyasaba. Ukuthi the day ngibanjwa. This is what will happen. So those are things okumele sizazi. Remember ukuthi kongenamajele before. We didn't have prisons. Mina ukuthi mawushanye ungafuni ukuzwa. Sikulahlele isibayeni samabhubesi.
Baqethe ngawo.
So that uyimbewu embi fana nalapha endulo. Bayimbewu embi
mkhulu.
Imbewu ongamelanga ibuye emhlabeni.
Ayihlotshiswa futhi lo mkhulu.
Ngamelanga ibuye emhlabeni because izinto esingazibala. There are millions.
Countless.
There are millions and labantu laba they are walking free. Hambe senti. Batanyasile hambe Kinta. Futhi Cape Town they've taken it over.
Yes.
Kunamajuda manje la.
Yes, on stage.
Uyabona ukuthi aya compounder ama problems. Asabhekana nabelungu bakhe who stole from us. Kepha we are now dealing with our settlers. Abangafuna ukuhamba Cape Town and they won't leave Cape Town and Cape Town they are making Cape Town their capital.
Another country.
So izo-ke izinto ifana nomthetho, right? Umthetho wesilungu uhlukile kunomthetho wesintu. Uhlukile completely. Ngoba umlungu wenze umthetho to protect i-theft. Umthetho, constitution was created to protect the theft they did. Without lokho, umthetho wesintu uhambelana nemvelo, uhambelana nonembeza. Uhambelana noma-art. Umthetho wesintu, umthetho ongenabutsotsi. Noma siwufunda lo mthetho, uyasitshela ukuthi izinto kumele zime ngale ndlela. Ungazowina nge-technicality. Lento ukuthi sihambe inkantolo yomlungu. Into wrong. Into wrong. Ngoba inkantolo yomlungu ayifani nenkantolo yethu. Thina mesikubizele enkantolo yithi so sihleli sigroundile. Kumele uzokhuluma phambi kwethu. Sikumamele, sikubone emehlweni, sikuzwe emoyeni ukuthi nomuntu ukhuluma iqiniso noma akakhuluma
njalo mkhulu.
Umthetho wesintu lo. Umthetho wesintu awuvumeli abantu baphume scot free because of technicality.